Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna ride my dirt bike. Got from this Christmas. Actually last Christmas. 2017 I got it.
Careful, son, there's a car coming.
I know. If you do not know what I did when I went in the air with the front wheels called popping. Now I'm gonna show you my jump.
Good job, Teddy. So what kind of car do you want to? When he comes back, we're going to ask him what kind of car he wants to have when he grows up. What kind of vehicle? Teddy, so what kind of vehicle are you going to have when you have age to drive a car?
Motorcycle?
You're going to have a motorcycle?
Since I know what a dirt bike and a motorcycle look like. Because if here's the thing, if you get an oil dirt bike, basically you get actually a motorcycle.
You mean a gasoline one?
No, you actually get a motorcycle.
Yeah. So you think you're ready for a motorcycle?
Yes.
You balance pretty well on your dirt bike. Good job. Want to say bye to your friends?
Bye. Subscribe to my channel.
TJ
Bye,
Kid. What's your channel's name?
TJ Kids Life.
Yep. Bye-bye, y'all.